Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, February 28th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the one step to build a money-making machine. Okay, this is the one thing that you need. And before I get started, I just want to introduce myself. Again, my name's Russ. If you've never seen any of my videos, I've been working in the work from home space for the last 18 years or so. I've been working full-time for myself since 2018. And I am truly passionate about helping people create mailbox money. It's what I eat, sleep, and breathe. I love it. So I have all kinds of videos on my YouTube channel about all the different programs that I'm involved with. And in this video, again, I'm going to talk to you about the number one step to build a money-making machine. The one thing that we all need if you're going to build an empire online, okay? And it doesn't matter what you're involved with. We all need the same thing, and that one thing is a system or systems. All right, we need a system in place that will do all the selling and telling for us. All right, we want this to be as automated as much. We want this to be fully automated. All right, if not semi-automated, to where the only thing you have to do is drive traffic over to your system, and then the system takes over and it does all the selling and telling for you. All right, I woke up this morning and around 4 a.m. I had an email come through letting me know that I had a new sign up in one of my opportunities at 4 a.m. while I was sleeping. And the reason that I had a sale come through is because I have systems in place for all of my opportunities. All right, if you go to joinruss.com, right here, joinruss.com, you will see all of my opportunities that I'm involved with. And any of the links that you click, you will see that I have a system in place for that particular product or service. All right, so when somebody goes and clicks on that link, they're going to enter their name and email. All right, so therefore I'm building my list. And then they're going to be taken over to sales videos about the opportunity or the service that I'm providing, that I'm offering, that I'm sharing with other people. All right, so I'm building a list which I can market to anytime in the future. They're getting videos about the opportunity where I'm not doing any other work. It's all fully automated. And then they can make a decision if they want to join or not. All right, and on all my systems, they have my contact number is there, my contact info. You know, they can email me, they can give me a call, they can send me a text message, and I'll be there to answer any questions that they have. So you need a system in place, or systems if you're in more than one opportunity. Preferably you want each of your opportunities to have its own system. And that is how you build a money-making machine online. You need a system in place. And it doesn't matter, you know, if you're in direct mail, your postcards will take that person to your system. If you're in, if you have a membership site, you have a system set up that will drive recurring income to you on autopilot, right? You have somebody go visit the membership site, they can pay right there, get information about it if they want to, they can join, and you get paid automatically. All right, you have funnels. That's what I use funnel systems. So somebody goes there, I capture their information where I can, you know, market to them in the future. They go to sales videos, and then even if they don't join right away, my systems are set up to where the people opting in for more information are going to get emails sent out on my behalf, follow-up emails that go out for a couple of months. So if they don't join right away, which is normal, it takes the average person, you know, 10 to 12 times or so to see an opportunity before they decide to join. So you have these emails. I have emails set up that go out on my behalf over like 60 days that remind people that they checked out the opportunity. And I continuously get leads into my capture systems every single day. I get signups every single week. I get paid weekly, and I have a really nice monthly residual income from all the opportunities that I partake in. I work full-time for myself. And if you do what I'm telling you to, if you follow what I teach, you can have success too if you decide to commit to a program or an opportunity and show up each day, take massive action, and stay consistent. That's, you have to have a system in place, but you also have to have consistency. You can't just put up a system and then, decide to make one video once in a while and throw it on YouTube. You want to do this, you want everything to be set up so it's as fully automated as possible, but that doesn't mean that you just throw up the system and it does everything. You still have to produce content. If you're not on Facebook or YouTube, those are the only two marketing platforms that I recommend, because they're the two top most visited sites after Google. All right, there's billions of people on these platforms, and it's free advertising. So that's why I just focus solely on YouTube and Facebook. If you're not doing videos, you're missing out. You're leaving money on the table. So what I do is I do a hybrid marketing method where I create content for Facebook and YouTube, and then offline I'm sending out letters. All right, I do direct mail. And when you join me in any of my opportunities, you're going to get a resource page with over 80 different places you can share your opportunity online. 99% of those places are free to use. And then on the flip side of that, you're going to get a letter template, the exact same letter template that I send out in my weekly mailings. All right, and you're also going to get my contact information so you can reach out to me anytime you have any questions or need any help. All right, and that's what I'm doing. I'm building an empire using systems that do all the work for me. My only job is to create content to get people over to, say, for example, my website, joinruss.com. And once people get to joinruss.com, they can connect with me. They can see my Facebook page. They can see my YouTube channel. They see all my opportunities. And whenever they click on one of those links, they're taken over to a page that does all the selling and telling for me. And I don't spend much time on my businesses each day. I mean, I might work a few hours a week altogether. I make some videos and I make a little bit of content. I'm probably at a point now where I could stop doing marketing and I would still get sales just from the videos that I have on my YouTube channel and just from my weekly mailings. Okay, but I'm passionate about this, and I want to provide value in my videos and show you exactly what it is that I'm doing to get results. And again, I can't guarantee you're going to get any results if you join any of my programs, because it's all dependent on your work ethic. And most people, they don't have a very good work ethic. They have the desire to make more money. They have they love the idea of having time freedom and being able to work when you want, for as long as you want, or being able to do what you want for as long as you want, wherever you want, and not worry about cash flow. They love that thought. They love the idea of having time freedom and being financially free. But when it comes to actually doing the work, most people just don't take action. They don't stick with an opportunity long enough to get results, because they want a quick overnight, get rich overnight. And that's just the only way to get rich overnight the only way that I see is if you hit the lottery. All right? So if you want to learn more about my opportunities, go to joinruss.com. Check out what it is I offer. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I can help you build mailbox money if you're willing to put in the work. All right? But you have to have, no matter what it is you're doing, no matter what opportunity that you're working with, you have to have a system in place that captures leads so that you can market to them in the future and does all the selling and telling on your behalf. Okay? So that is how you create a money-making machine online. And it's very possible if you commit to something, show up each day, take massive action, and stay consistent. All right? So that's it for this video. I hope you found value in it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And if you find value in it, please give me a thumbs up. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.